This is DC Danton Crocusator, and look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Look at that. Look at those beautiful gulls flying in the blue sky. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Anyway, very cold indeed. Frozen. Let's put our food down first, and then we'll go put down something for the little sparrows. It's January 20th, getting toward the end of the month there. And you can see the spot where I put the food down yesterday. Yesterday we were at the vet, and yeah, that's in the video in the evening that I've already uploaded. There we go. There's the rumbling at the shopping center disturbing the birds. What else is new? Everything's gone here. Look at this. Yes, it's very cold. But one saving grace. We have the sun is shining. And by the way, this weather is short-lived. Hear that? That's the a fair number of crows here today. I got about 6-7 kilo of mixed seed and grain in here. That's a lot. But they need it. They need this. Whoops. This is their little cat food. Needless to say, Miele didn't eat anything, so he's going to be getting a lot in his mouth today. I did get up at 11 o'clock, put things in his mouth, his special food, because he just can't eat because he bit his tongue so severely. Yes. Poor thing. Thank you for all your prayers and good well wishes for our little Miele. He really needs it. He's not in good shape. I've got a whole bunch of things he's going to be getting now that in the past I used to try to put in his food and he wouldn't eat them. And now I have to resort to capturing and putting in his mouth for his own good. There we go. Seymour, get in there, honey. Hopefully Seymour got his eggs. I don't know if you can pick Seymour out there in the middle. He definitely got something. I didn't have any more peanuts to put in my mix, but I put an extra large bag of walnuts in there. So I'm gonna scoot down here. Got a little pigeon here. We'll throw down some seed over there. Okay, here we go. But it is a beautiful sight. One of my friends and subscribers sent me a beautiful video that they made for me and the birds. And I want to thank you if you're listening. Probably one of the most beautiful things anything has ever made for me and given me. Thank you so much, my dear friend. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't know how you did it. You're very, very talented. Very talented indeed. And so beautiful. And I thank you, and the birds thank you. Anyway, yeah. It's pretty cold, but the sun is shining, and that does make a difference. I'm going to go right now and get some money out of the bank And I'm going to go to Kreuzlingen now, and I'm going to get some grain because I'm just about out of it. And yes, so we'll have to see about getting some more of the mixed seed. I bought the 10 bags the other day. They're only 1 kilo bags. If I throw down 10 kilo here a day, it doesn't go very far. But this only because it's so cold and they need it. But I do need my peanuts. I'm not finding any more of the big bags of peanuts, but I used to get 2 kilo bags, but they're gone. But I will, let's just say affordable peanuts. But I will get the a small bag, only 500 grams, but they're very beautiful peanuts. Not for birds, but for humans, unsalted. And they're very, very good. And they'll get less peanuts, but they'll get the best quality peanuts. So, let's go down and put down our seed. Let's throw down a couple little cashews for our babies here. We got a little crow here. These little guys here. Let's see what we got. Throw some down here for them. Here, guys. Here. We couldn't get anything. Hard to find them in the snow, isn't it? Okay. Oh, my flag split here. Look at this. Put that in my pocket. Do you want to come here? Do you want to come here? He wants to park behind us, so we're just going to get in here quickly. I moved the car so he can park.
Is that what he wants to do?
Yeah. Okay. So you people, you see that DC Danton Crow Crusader always does the good thing. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Friendly cooperative.
Friendly cooperative. Okay. I think
Is that what he wants to do?
I think so, yeah. Anyway, we'll put down our seed over here. What did I do with my seed?
There's something here.
Must have left it on
There's
there.
something here.
Oh, there. That's what I wanted. Thank you. Very good. There we go. Okay, there we go. I'm going to shut down the video now. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. We'll see you out here earlier today. Since we have a lot of errands to run and I need to get some bird supplies. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Love your birds. Take care of yourself. And have a great Saturday. Have a great weekend. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Over and out.